Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. Photo loops. Next topic. So first we are going to see while and for. While and for. Okay. So the syntax of while loop. Is the syntax of while. So it will see while, then after that it will see the expression. If this expression is true, means if it is non-zero, then it will execute the statement. Then again after that it will go check the expression, then again execute the statement. Okay. So while in while loop, while loop, the expression is evaluated. The expression is going to get evaluated. We are first going to execute the expression, then we are going to go inside the body. This is the body of a while loop, which is a statement. So it can have block of a statement or it can have only one statement. So the while loop while the while loop in while loop, the expression is evaluated. So we are going to evaluate the expression. Okay, so if it is non-zero, if it is non-zero if it is non-zero, then only statement is executed, and again then expression is going to re-evaluate it. If it is again non-zero, then statement again expression will get re tell me re-executed, then again statement will execute. So till the time expression is going to be zero, it is going to be get executed. So the cycle continue until expression becomes zero. Okay, so it is having a flow chart also. For flow chart also I can show. With flow chart it will be more easy to understand. Just a minute, I will show you the flow chart also. So if it is non-zero, statement statement is executed. Statement is going to be executed, and 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 expression is expression is re-evaluate. Expression is going to be re-evaluate. Okay. So it will continue, this cycle continue, this cycle, this cycle continues expression until expression becomes zero. Until expression becomes zero. At which point execution resume after then. So the cycle continue until expression becomes zero. To write like that only. Okay, so let me create a loop, means flowchart. So first you are going to test the expression. Okay, like this. If it is true, that is true, then non-zero, then it will execute the statement or the body statement. Okay, statement. After that, it will again go to re evaluate the expression. It will again check, and it will stop when false, means 0. It will stop. This is the one. So it is expression. You can have any expression here. Okay, fine. So let me give one code for that. Example I am taking int I equal to 1, while I is smaller than equal to 10, printf percentage d, you are printing I, going to print I. Going to print. So here output will be like 1 smaller than 10, yes it will. So I plus plus I will also do, and since it is a more than one statement, so I need a block, braces is required, otherwise it will execute only this line, so while I is smaller than equal to 10, it will print I, 1 printed, then new line incremented, I is going to be 2, 2 is smaller than 10, yes printed, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that will be 10, 10 is smaller than, like this it will print up to 10. Understood? Now in this while loop, if you are writing like after while, they are saying that is a statement. If I am writing like this, what is going to be the output? If I am writing like this, what is going to be the output? If in this, if the code is like this, int I equal to 1, output क्या होगा? It will terminate I equal to 1. What is going to be the output? To infinite loop. Will go into infinite loop. Very good. Because whenever you are writing like this, here you have written a semicolon. Here you have written a semicolon. If you are writing while I is smaller than equal to 10 semicolon, it means the statement, this is a statement which is empty, means I 1 is smaller than 10, then execute this, nothing is there, then again 1 is smaller than 10, nothing is there, then again 1 smaller than 10, so it will give you, will go into infinite loop. Okay, so this is one way of infinite loop, or while 1, it is also infinite loop. Okay, it is all the infinite loop. Infinite. So whatever while we are writing while loop, that we can even write by using for loop. Okay, the for loop. Now see the for loop. While we have seen. Anyone having any doubt in while? Please let me know. Important. Let int be of 2 byte. Okay, 2 byte समझिए. Now output आप क्वेश्चन है आपका include studio.h int main int I equal to 1 while I is smaller than equal to 32767 printf percentage d I equal to I plus 1. What is going to be the output? भी इनफाइनाइट लूप में चल जाएगा, ये भी इनफाइनाइट लूप में चला जाएगा, will also go to infinite loop. It will print some number and it will keep on printing. Why? Because here I've said that no, not 1 2 3 2 7 6 7, because the range of integer is going to your minus 3 2, if it is 2 byte, minus 327682 32767. So I equal to 1, 1 is smaller than 1, it will get printed, then 2, then 3, then 4, it will go till 32767. Now if we'll add again plus 1 to it, it's going to be minus 32768. Because if we'll add to an integer 3278 plus 1, in the previous lecture I have taken also this kind of question. That will go to the range, means in their range. In their range, in int range, there is no 32678. So it will go as a circle wise, it will go to minus 32768. Yeah, it's keep on repeating. Then minus 32767, like this. It will keep on repeating. It will go into a infinite loop. Understood? Anyone having any doubt? So it is also gate expected question. So these are the questions gate and your campus can ask. So in campus placement, you can have this kind of question. Campus placement. Okay. Okay.